Hey guys, welcome back to the BSG Automotive channel. Just a quick tip here for some of you out there that may be trying to do an oil change yourself on different makes and models. A lot of them, I know GM has gone to this, and Chrysler. The way to reset your oil life is not through the instrument cluster here. It is to simply have your key to the on position, okay, the run position, engine off, and then you come down below here and you press in the accelerator pedal all the way to the ground and back up slowly 3 times within 10 seconds. And then you'll see a change up here on the cluster. So down once, letting up slowly, down twice, letting up slowly, and then down and letting up slowly. And there you go, 100% oil life. Real simple process. A lot of manufacturers go into this, and that is how to do it. See you next time.